Travis here from Kelowna Chevrolet to show you this certified pre-owned 2016 Ford Transit Wagon XL. Powering this accident-free passenger van is a 3.7 liter V6 engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Looking at the back of the van, the split folding rear doors provide a little bit of storage room as well as act as an emergency exit for your passengers. Moving up to the interior, you have lots of storage in your door panel, power adjustable windows with express up and down on the driver's window, a cup holder and extra storage on the dash, as well as your power adjustable mirrors, headlights, and additional accessories. You have your traction control and parking sensor at the top of the dash, your display controls, cruise control, and hands-free audio all on the steering wheel. This van is currently sitting at 89,821 kilometers. You have storage as well as your radio at the top of the dash, your radio controls, gear select, and climate controls all along the dash. This van also has premium cloth seats. You have a passenger side rear sliding door with steps to make it easy to get in, as well as a handle. This van has 4 additional rows of passenger seats, making a grand total of 15 passengers. You also have an easy way to access your top storage and the passenger climate controls. If you would like to see this 2016 Ford Transit Wagon XL passenger van in person or take it for a test drive, come and see us at Kelowna Chevrolet, where car buying is easier than you think.